As you all know, security is at the forefront of everyone's mind, and I could not be more excited to join you today to talk about data security and some exciting announcements. My name is Chris Kent, and I am the VP of Product and Solutions Marketing here at Cohesity. Joining me today is Megan LaFlamme, Director of Product Marketing. I'm sure it's not lost on you that there is a ransomware attack nearly every 20 seconds, and the challenges that organizations face to combat ransomware and outside actors is very real. To combat these threats, we believe that security is a team sport, and we recently introduced the Data Security Alliance to bring together some of the brightest minds in data security and to help collectively solve today's threats. And no one solution or company can do it all. So we've been focusing on building out a world-class data security ecosystem with leaders in data security, response, and remediation that aligns to the NIST cybersecurity framework. We introduced DataHawk to change how organizations protect and secure their most critical data. DataHawk focuses on 4 key capabilities to help organizations protect, detect, and recover from attacks. First, cyber vaulting provides customers with the ability to isolate clean snapshots of their data into a virtual air-gapped environment off of their network, so in the instance that attack does occur, that the organizations can rest assured that their data is clean, protected, and they can get back up and running quickly. Threat protection enables organizations to detect anomalies within their data to quickly identify and remediate risks by leveraging ML and highly curated IOC threat feeds for one-click data protection and scanning at scale. Intelligent data classification empowers organizations to make sense of their data using ML-based pattern matching and AI to detect, map, and classify structured and unstructured data so you can discover where sensitive data lives to proactively work to protect and secure that data. And lastly, in order for all of this to work together seamlessly, organizations need direct integration with the solutions like SOCs that they use today to manage and remediate cyber threats. Megan, DataHawk is paramount to the data security strategy here at Cohesity, and we talked a little bit about cyber vaulting as being a core capability within DataHawk. Can you tell everyone here a little bit more about cyber vaulting and Fort Knox?
Absolutely. Chris, you touched on that important part about the reassurance that comes with cyber vaulting and air gapping data off of the network. And so last year, we launched our standalone cyber vaulting solution, Fort Knox, on AWS. And we're really excited that we've seen rapid adoption. And one of the most common things that we've heard from you since this launch is growing demand for multi-cloud support. And the reality is that the majority of organizations are multi-cloud, and the ability to support cyber vaulting on multi-cloud providers is critical to your data security initiatives. So we're thrilled that you can now isolate your data to AWS and Azure. And so regardless of where that data lives, you still have that single, easy-to-use platform to manage and secure data across your entire estate with Cohesity.
Megan, this is actually incredible news, and I know that this is the feedback we've been getting from customers. Can you maybe walk us through a little bit more on what are the supported workloads within Fort Knox?
Absolutely. So Fort Knox covers a wide range of integrations and workloads to streamline cyber vaulting, including new workloads like AWS EC2 instances, Azure VMs, as well as cold and warm storage tiers. And this builds on deeper support for VMware and Hyper-V, NAS, and files and volumes for Linux and Windows, among many others.
Yeah, Fort Knox is incredible, and being the first modern data platform to offer multi-cloud cyber vaulting is huge. We mentioned earlier that there's no one solution or company that can do it all. Can you talk a little bit more about our approach to the partnership with DataHawk and threat protection and data classification?
Yes. So we can't emphasize enough the point that you made earlier about security being a team sport. And our vision for security at Cohesity was to build out the deepest ecosystem to help you secure your data, but also to work with the solutions that you're already working with today. So for threat protection and data classification, customers can use our native solutions built into DataHawk. But we've partnered with two of the leading solutions in the industry to bring that best best-in-class capability directly into DataHawk. So for threat protection, it was important to advance anomaly detection away from the traditional systems that are very manual and require a lot of overhead. And we're thrilled to partner with Qualys, an industry leader, to offer automated machine learning-based anomaly detection in customer data. And on data classification, we're so excited to partner with BigID to bring their best-in-class ML and AI-powered data classification engine directly to you. It has over 5 times the patterns than others in the industry, and the result is more accurate and faster classification and mapping through DataHawk.
Love it, Megan. And in order for all this to work seamlessly together, organizations need direct integration within the solutions they use today to manage and remediate their cyber threats. Tying all this together in our deep integration with SOCs, we have some really exciting news there as well, right, Megan?
Yes, and making data security as easy as possible is so important to Cohesity and to you. And so working with the solutions that you support today is a critical part of our strategy. And our emphasis on integrations and partnerships really bring that NIST framework to life, leveraging what you have in place today, like ServiceNow for security operations. So ServiceNow and Cohesity help organizations continually monitor their Cohesity environment to quickly identify emerging risks or outages to the backup clusters. And this seamless integration lets customers quickly detect potential trouble as it emerges with antivirus, infrastructure, disk and encryption, as well as other security alerts and more. And in the same way, we're so pleased to announce a new integration with CrowdStrike. Many customers like you that leverage CrowdStrike today can very easily integrate Cohesity with CrowdStrike to automate and simplify response to threats and recover quickly from ransomware incidents. So you can see that security is truly a team sport, especially for all of you who are now expanding your collaboration within your organization between IT and security operations. We know that you recognize that no single vendor can do it all. And so these seamless integrations are critical for delivering these best-of-breed solutions to your data security strategies.
Megan, these are really exciting announcements. And together with our partners, we're even more excited to continue to expand our growing support and standardization of workflows across on-premise, cloud, and edge environments. We know that security is top of mind for you, and it is always top of mind for us. And up next, Lynn Lucas, CMO, will talk with a customer who is fighting the fight every day of cybercrime. So stay tuned.